Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Cherry Gardens. We're actually on Cherry Drive and we're going to be driving from Cherry Gardens to Barbican. Now Cherry Gardens is one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. You wouldn't believe it looking at the road, but look at the houses. Every year they have a list of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica or Kingston, and this Cherry Gardens has been number one for quite a few years. The top three usually change in rank, but they are Cherry Gardens, Jacks Hill, Millsboro. Those are the top three neighborhoods in Jamaica. Now straight ahead is the Rogers. That very top, well, the tree is blocking it now, but you can actually see the Rogers, which is the tallest building in Jamaica from here. Alright, so we're now coming up to Graham Heights. We've left Cherry Gardens now and we're going through Graham Heights. Alright, we're now coming up to the Barbican area. We actually have a massive apartment building on the left. I didn't realize it was so big. I'm going to tell you the name of it in a little bit. I think it's Cardinal. I don't know. Hey guys, if anybody remembers the name of that construction going on, the name of the building, I know it's apartments. The name has just slipped me, but if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright, so this is now Birdsucker Lane. And this is Barbican Road straight ahead now. So this is Barbican Square straight ahead. So this is now East King's House Road.